In this video, I'll be showing you 3 very easy ways to share files between your PC and your iPhone. Number 1, using iTunes file sharing. iTunes file sharing allows users to share files between either the PC or the Mac and the iPhone. To use this method, you have to download iTunes from the Microsoft Store and install it on your PC. Now, once that has been done, connect your phone to your PC via USB and unlock it and tap on Trust this device to allow you access to the device files. Once that is done, click on the phone icon on the screen to load the phone-related option. Click on File Sharing on the sidebar and select the app which you want to pull files from. All files saved in the selected app will be loaded on the right-hand side, and you can click and drag to any location on your PC, either the desktop or in your documents or wherever you want to keep those files. Now, number 2, EaseUs Mobi Mover. To download this app, visit easeus.com and search for the Mobi Mover among their products. Once the downloading and installation is done, connect your iPhone to the PC via USB and run the application. On the app's interface, click on the phone to PC, PC to phone, or any other option depending on what you want to do. Now, if you are sending files to your PC, click on Next and select the app you want to pull the files from. Of course, this is the same thing we talked about in the previous app, that is iTunes file sharing. If you are sending from PC to phone, click Select File and choose the file that you want to send and then click Transfer. That is, in that case, it's going to open a folder for you to select the files from. Please note that in the free version of the app, you can only send 20 files in a day. And if you want to send more files, you have the option to pay and upgrade. Number 3, using cloud services. Of course, there are many cloud services out there. To access your files from your iPhone on your PC or any other device, you can upload the files you want to share into any of the cloud services such as iCloud, Dropbox, Google Drive, etc. via your phone, and then log in to the same services on your PC and download the files. That is also a very viable way of sending files from your iPhone to your PC. This is possible because most, if not all, the cloud services have apps for the different platforms, therefore granting you access to your files irrespective of the device you are using. Now, to support this channel and help us continue to make more insightful videos like this one, click on the join button below to join our membership program. And if this video was useful to you, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.